All right, so this is a sanity check of my site for MAT143P. I'm checking to see how everything is working out. So far the layout looks okay. So I haven't done the mission brief. Any of the videos aren't posted yet. So when you click them, they should go right back here, right? So that's a reloop. Uh, the lecture note videos are up, so those should work, and they open in a separate link, so that's good. They're both working. They open up the lecture notes, so you would be able to follow along with the lecture videos, which I didn't make yet. Well, I just didn't upload them. These lesson labs are an actual part of the website, so you should be able to go in here and interact with the site, do your thing in there. That opens on the same site, so you should have interaction with these exercises. This is just like extra practice so that you could get the concepts for the week. And then what else we got going on here? I gotta put the workbook in there because we do have a workbook. There should be a lab. It opens up the lab, so the lab is working. That's a fillable PDF for the lab, so you can work right in there. I got to put the walkthrough video. Once you click that, a video walkthrough will come up. And then this week I had two videos. So the layout in this week is a little bit different, right? So you see how it just flows down a little bit more. This is more how it looked in school. The layout was just like straight down. I was playing around with layouts. So since this is beta, you tell me what you like better. I'm playing around with a couple different looks, but the links, they still work. Here you go to your graphs. So this part of the site, you're gonna work on your charts and graphs, and you should have what is this, week 2? Should be some lecture notes in there. That's so that you can follow along with the lecture videos. So those are linking. So everything seems to be working fine. Should have another lab in week 3. There should be a lab here. It does open up the apportionment lab. So the lab's working. Did I put any lecture notes? I don't think I put lecture notes. Nope. So I got to add lecture notes for that and the videos. And then also take this out of here because there's not going to be a lesson labs link because all of the labs are already linked to, these labs are already linked. There's no need to put a second link. And that's about it, man. That's how the site's going to look. So that's how you'll be interacting with the class, right? Let me know if you have any questions.